I would say only the last 6 months actually have even, or the capabilities are actually
like viable.
True autonomy.
Yeah.
Like for instance, I have a previous business that I built when I was like 25, long time ago. And I would always have to do the books for that every quarter basically. And like, I truly have automated that entire process where it's airtight and completely automated. And so, that's a lot of time savings for me. And so that was a test run for me. Can I actually get an agent to do actual work and autonomously make decisions and so forth? And the answer is yes. And it was one of the most empowering things I've ever experienced. And my next project, then I built an agent to build proposals for Itero, and now I want to build a bookkeeper for Itero. I don't think I'm going to have to hire any sort of finance team. All of the information's out there.